Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakai Tech. Today, we are reviewing a portable starter keyboard package built for learning, singing, and home practice, the HERTMUN 61261 Key Portable Electronic Keyboard Piano. If you are looking for an affordable 61-key starter piano with built-in speakers, an included microphone, dual power options, and onboard recording, let's break down everything this system offers. First, let's look at the keyboard layout and sound engine. The HERTMUN 612 features 61 responsive piano-style keys paired with built-in stereo speakers. It comes equipped with a sound library containing 100 voices, 100 rhythms, and 10 built-in demo tracks for ear training and song practice. It also features a clear digital LCD screen and master volume controls to help you balance your audio levels easily. Next, let's talk about performance and practice features. This keyboard includes a wired microphone right in the box, allowing students to sing along while playing. For quiet practice, you can plug in a pair of headphones to play late at night without disturbing family or neighbors. It also includes a built-in record and playback function, so you can capture your performances, review your progress, or layer lead lines over pre-recorded rhythm tracks. Finally, let's check out power options and build quality. The body is crafted from non-toxic, eco-friendly ABS material designed for safe daily handling. For mobility, it features two power supply options. You can plug it into a wall socket with the standard power adapter or insert 1.5 VAA batteries for outdoor jam sessions, travel, or classroom use. It also includes a sheet music stand to hold your songbooks or tablet. Overall, the HERTMUN 612 is a lightweight, feature-packed 61-key starter kit that gives beginner students an easy way to play, sing, and record all in one package. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, leave your beginner piano questions in the comments below, and subscribe to Zakai Tech for more audio reviews, instrument tests, and consumer tech showcases. Thanks for watching.